Hello guys, good morning! It's October 7 and good news! The Philippines won the gold medal in and basketball in Asian Games. The first time in 61 years. Wow. Diba? 61 years. Not 61 year wait. So over 60 years wait because we won the first 4 Asian Games basketball titles, but afterwards what na, diba? 50, 54, 58, 62 I think, yeah. Mana. Congratulations, diba? So we won the big gold, and it's amazing, diba? So congratulations to all the players who are on the team, of course a part of the program, silang coach Team Cone, team manager silang Al Francis Chua, our rich guys, mga benefactors sa tatong support, biggest nag-fund ani na team, silang Ramon Ang, silang Manny Pangilinan. I mean, it's been a wonderful, yeah, in a way, yeah, wonderful, somehow wonderful Asian Games. We won the gold after 61 years, and mana, it's a cause for celebration. Even if we just have 4 golds pa lang, diba? 4 golds, but not all golds, are equal. Kanang basketball gold is like, it's like a legacy na ba na. It's something na appeal sa tong joy and pride ng Pilipinas ba na, the bragging rights. Although wow, big congratulations to jiu-jitsu athletes. 2 golds, all women. Imagine, diba? Si EJ Ubuena. But sana lagi, basketball is basketball. Lahi yun ng team sports. It's like sa one-on-one you challenge sarapan, diba? Kaning sa basketball manggod, or even any team sports like football, like volleyball, there's so many factors. It's so hard to make a dominant team, diba? But yes, he captured gold. Imagine, last time we were in a gold medal game was in 1990. Kanundong pa ko ato, bata pa ko. It was the team of silang Jaworski, silang Ramon Fernandez, Alvin Patrimonio, Benji Paras. Supposedly, murag kuan ba, they were the heroes of the golden age of basketball. Yeah, sa 1994 San Miguel to Gipada, 1998 Centennial Team, yeah, 2002 katong sa Busa na heartbreaker. All in all, grabe yung history sa Pilipinas. Ay, dugay kuan ba, somehow, yeah, the proud, yeah, basketball teams of the Philippines, but we're from a long time ago, and we always have high expectations, the fans. Good thing this time we actually, para ako, we overcome, we surpassed expectations somehow. Gold good, diba? Diba? To think we were in a lower bracket na kinapildi ta sa Jordan. Diba? But it was a sweet revenge na we got the gold over the team that beat us in the elimination rounds. So, mana, congratulations to us all, diba? So what's next for the Philippines? It's gonna be the Olympic qualifiers. I don't know if we can form another strong team, but yeah, it should be interesting how they will go about this. Kasi kinang kuan man gina, kani atong kuan, ipadayon na to atong momentum ba. Diba? So mga Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts maligis. Hmm. So mana we hope for more victories, but as I said, it's a big cause for celebration gining atong daog sa Asian Games. So congratulations, diba? So diretso lang tong biyahe, guys. So and we're all I can say is kuha lang yun. I know that it was a big chance for the Philippines na maka-gold kay, you know, malagi na we beat China dito sa World Cup, for example. Then in the past competitions, we're competitive man sa ng Pilipinas. And then sabi ni autuha makalagot man na, but yeah, siya magpahinay man. In the past kuan, nag-rebuild ang Japan did bring their, you know, World Cup team. Lebanon withdrew. Iran was aging, diba? Then China, the host, would be the biggest challenge, and it's pa na teams. Korea is, you know, it's not, or pag ni-graduate na to ilang golden age also, so they're developing their younger talent na. So mura magdili kuan ba, it was a good time na we could take the victory. It was or a perfect storm lang yun na makadaog ta. Unfortunately mo to na pilditas Jordan, and we had a harder, you know, route to the championship. For example, we have to fight, diba katong we had one more game, diba? Diba? So then we fought Iran, diba? So we had a qualification to the quarters, pa rin for quarters we had Iran, and then if we beat Iran, we have to face China, the host, in the semis. So it wasn't easy. And then of course in the end nawa mag Japan o hanggoan. So things like suddenly look rosy the moment we beat China. More bag things became rosy na. Na things became rosy na when we beat China. And it was like not easy game sa quarters. We almost got beaten by Iran. We were leading the whole game. Then may gani na, then nagpumutok si Brownlee. Then against China, they were leading the whole game. Then when Brownlee happened again. So kung na Asian Games na kuan MVP, I would say si Brownlee na for us, diba? And the final game, so against Jordan, at least the locals were helped Brownlee. So there were stellar performances like Newsome, Oftana, Kwame, diba? So ang sabihin ko so niya itong isundan na motorkid. So Gilas Pilipinas, I don't know this one, pero unsa ni na motorkid ato lang kuanan isundan. So man, well anyway, mo nang kuha na to na it was what, a great news. So man, pag where were you in 1962 ba? Pa ko na tao eh. Ever since I was born, the Philippines never ever won the Asian Games gold, huh? Ang basketball, we're talking about basketball here. We never won. We were close in 1990. Yeah, our centennial team was also hyped. Then we had a Danny Siegel injury na big what if. But also ano, sa 2002 katong Korea heartbreak. Now we were winning and then Korea made us part of their like highlights sa ilang basketball history, diba? Those were heroic moments for Korea. So as for the Philippines, karon ang big moment. So wala, happy dapat ang basketball fans, and I guess hopefully we will improve our system on how to form teams, improve our local leagues, and continue padayon lang and compete with the world. We managed to become Asian champions, basta naghibaw, basta pohon we could, you know, we'll have magical moments like, you know, an Olympic spot, diba? So medyo hazy yun bitaw ng panahon, no? Diba? Namin ito yung warning sa haze tanawa, medyo hazy yun. I don't know kung sa Taal or something. So parang ingat-ingat lang yapon na mag-drive, diba? SMC Zaid. So well anyway, muna na itong trip diri sa Cebu. And yes, as a Cebuano basketball fan, lipay ko. And of course, Cebu is represented with Junmar Pajardo, di ba? So kahit pa paano, sa 12 there's a Cebuano out there. And hopefully we can still manage to get more goals in the last 2 days of competition. Pero mana, thank you for joining me on this trip, and I hope na next time masaan pohon malingaw mo sa kong trip. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And adto na ta. Bye.